Welcome, my fellow tech explorers, to my channel, where we'll venture together into the exciting and ever-evolving world of IT. I'm your virtual guide, here to help you navigate the ins and outs of the tech industry one bite at a time. Are you feeling lost in a sea of tech jargon, acronyms, and programming languages? Are you overwhelmed by the endless possibilities and paths within the IT field? Well, don't fret, my friends. This channel is designed to help you find your way and achieve your tech dreams. Whether you're interested in software development, cybersecurity, or networking, we'll cover it all. From beginner-friendly tutorials to expert-level insights, we've got something for everyone. So grab your favorite cup of coffee or tea, and let's dive into the exciting world of IT together. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tips, tricks, and trends in the tech industry. Let's explore, learn, and grow together.